Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular power supplies, the Thermaltake Smart 600W and the Corsair RM650. Both units are designed to power your PC effectively, but they come with different features and price points. Let's find out which one is the best fit for your needs. When it comes to price, the Thermaltake S Smart 600W is a budget-friendly option at just $54 US, making it an attractive choice for those looking to save money. On the other hand, the Corsair RM650 is priced at $89 US, reflecting its higher-end features and performance. While the Thermaltake offers great value, the additional cost of the Corsair may be justified for users seeking premium quality. In terms of efficiency, the Corsair RM650 stands out with its 80+ Gold certification, which indicates higher energy efficiency and lower power consumption. In contrast, the Thermaltake Smart 600W has an 80+ White certification, which, while decent, does not match the efficiency of the Corsair. This difference can lead to cost savings on electricity bills over time, making the Corsair a more economical choice in the long run. Another critical aspect to consider is modularity. The Corsair RM650 features a fully modular design, allowing users to connect only the cables they need, which greatly simplifies cable management and improves airflow within the case. In contrast, the Thermaltake S Smart 600W is a non-modular power supply, meaning all cables are permanently attached, which can lead to clutter and make installation more challenging. For those who prioritize a clean build, the modularity of the Corsair is a significant advantage. In conclusion, both the Thermaltake S Smart 600W and the Corsair RM650 have their strengths and weaknesses. The Thermaltake is an excellent choice for budget-conscious users, while the Corsair offers superior efficiency, modularity, and quieter operation, making it worth the extra investment for those seeking a premium experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.